Okay, this is going to bother you guys. 238596 is a female lab mix. She's 2, her down date's the 11th. She came in as a stray from Palmetto Street, 78203. This is a walking skeleton. Oh my gosh. Look at the bones on her back. She just came in, and this little girl is so skinny. Come here, sweetie. Look at that. Got that big, thick belt kind of collar around her neck. No tags, not microchipped. And she's a sack of bones. Look at that. This dog needs some groceries and a nice quiet place to stay for a while till we fatten her up. And somebody to be nice to her and take care of her. That's what she needs. She doesn't deserve this. She's out at the Brooks facility, needs rescue, foster, or adoption. She looks all white except for a little white, all black except for a little white around her muzzle. That's it. Poor thing, she's scared to death too. Scared to death.